Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by x. So we have y, and first derivative of y we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration of 2 over x. This is about integrating factor. So we have 2l and x. Next, number 2 will go inside about natural law in here. And we have s squared. That means we multiply both sides by s squared. So this one we have 2x. This one we have s cosine x. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So, we do first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v, and this is about first derivative of s squared multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to uv. So the integration of this one, we have ys squared. Now I will concentrate about this one only. We can use about integration by parts. Now we need to put about u equals to x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. dv we have cosine x dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sine x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration of sine x dx. The integration of this one, we have negative cosine x, and we put about c. We simplify, and we got like this. Now we return in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.